RGO Resort. RGO Resort. Mula sa pagkakaibigan, pangarap at pananampalataya, RGO Resort. Kaibigan mo! Para sa'yo, ang mga friendly offers na to. Nature and its wonders in one. Found at the heart of Nagcarlan. RGO Resort, composed of adult pool, kiddie pool, 1 huge jacuzzi, 2 cave rooms, air conditioned, 4 aircon rooms, 4 fan rooms, 4 family rooms, 1 function hall, kitchen canteen, and other amenities. RGO Resort. Mag-meditate at mag-relax sa aming meditation area. RGO Resort. Para sa mga parties at mga espesyal na okasyon for your family and friends. We got a huge gazebo for you. RGO Resort. Tayo na mag-swimming sa aming adult pool at mag-dive inside the cave. RGO Resort. Mag-enjoy at mag-rejuvenate to the warmness of water sa aming huge spa. RGO Resort. Damhin ang sariwang simoy ng hangin at kapayapaan at magstay sa aming Nipa Hut. RGO Resort. May mga fully air-conditioned function hall, perfect for birthdays, weddings, at iba pang important events. RGO Resort. At di lang yan, meron pa kaming fully air-conditioned and fun rooms. Pwede ka ring mag-billiards at kumanta kasama ang barkada. RGO Resort. Sa Nagcarlan, mag-enjoy ka talaga dahil dito may kaibigang matalik ka. Ang RGO Resort. RGO Resort. Located at Barangay Sabang, Nagcarlan, Laguna. At sa aming ika-1 taon, inihahandog ng RGO Resort ang isang libreng konsyerto at Thanksgiving Anniversary Live Band Concert na pinamagatang Kaibigang Matalik featuring Jangvia and Midnight Echoes Band sa June 12, 2009 sa ganap na ika-7 ng gabi. Mga kaibigan, libre po ito kaya maki-join na!